What are the different types of YouTube video categories? Okay friends, our today's topic is what are the different types of YouTube video categories? Kindly subscribe our channel Sharp Turks SC, like this video and press bell icon to get more information about SEO of YouTube videos. Do you produce YouTube videos? Are you struggling to receive the anticipated number of video views? You're definitely not doing something correctly. You might not be familiar with YouTube's functionality or SEO. Not to worry. This video is created to assist you in growing your YouTube channel. This video's main goal is to help you understand how YouTube functions and the significance of the various YouTube video categories. So let's get going. Meaning of YouTube video categories. On the YouTube platform, channels and videos can be arranged using YouTube video categories. It goes without saying that you will get greater results if you apply your video to the correct category. It makes it much easier than you might imagine for the intended audience to find your YouTube video. Different types of YouTube categories. On YouTube, there are a total of 15 categories. Number 1, animation and film. One of the largest areas of YouTube is the film and animation category. The animation category is getting popular on many YouTube channels. The YouTube video category called film includes all movie-related content. Videos about reviews or discussions of film merchandise can also use this category because viewers who are interested in movies will also be curious about the toys or merchandise from the films they watch. Number 2, autos and vehicles. As implied by the category name, it caters to the video category about cars and other vehicles. Generally, this category is devoted to videos that contain technical information about a vehicle or anything related to vehicles. Videos that discuss accessories or equipment for vehicles can also choose this video. Everything that has a vehicle component as a primary subject needs to be added to the corresponding category. Number 3, music videos. On YouTube, music videos are consistently the most viewed type of content. It's likely the only platform where all brand new music videos are published and easily accessible. For the music category, the application is almost the same as the film and animation category. Shows, concerts, video clips, or song reviews can choose this category. This category can also be used for videos that contain vocal lessons or musical instruments. Actually, you can also choose the how to and style category, but choosing the music category is still suitable. Number 4, pets and animals. Anything relating to animals and pets is included in this category. People that create content about their dogs, such as pet vlogs, pet care tips, and more, fall under the pets category. Videos about cats, dogs, fish, etc. Number 5, sports. Here, you can only upload videos about various sports, as the category indicates. Sports can be played outdoors or indoors. This category is also often used by fitness or gym influencers to share content about exercising to stay fit. Sports-related videos must be posted in the appropriate category, whether they are about baseball, football, or another sport. Number 6, travel and events. Videos about travel, other locations, or other topics related to travel must be uploaded in the appropriate category for this type of subject. The travel and events category usually contains reviews of tourist attractions, travel vlogs to tourist attractions, tips about traveling, etc. Therefore, be sure to publish all videos about travel and tourism in the appropriate category. Number 7, gaming. Videos for game information, game hacks, game tips, game reviews, live playing, and other relevant topics are included in the gaming category. For the gaming category, it seems easy. Yes, all content related to video games should use the gaming category to get the right audience. Number 8, people and blogs. Videos about lifestyle, people, blogs, promotions, and other topics fall under the people and blogs category. If you are confused about choosing a category, the people and blogs category is usually your mainstay because it can be used for almost any type of content. Because it fits with practically anything, it is the default category for all videos that are published on YouTube. Number 9. Comedy. Since it keeps viewers interested and makes the material more enjoyable, comedy is a rather popular area on YouTube, where most YouTubers aim to make their content amusing. The comedy category is usually related to entertainment or entertainment. Comedy content specifically aims to make the audience entertained and laugh. Number 10. Entertainment. One of the most widely used YouTube video genres on the planet is entertainment. All content that is useful and has a concept, albeit simple, can be included in the entertainment category. This category typically promotes anything with an entertainment industry focus. This section must contain all content relating to the entertainment business. Number 11. News and politics. In essence, any content about current events, political discussions, or developing topics falls under the news and politics category. This category is suitable for content or videos that contain news about political events, figures or news about government policies and social issues in society. Number 12. How-to and style. Some of the most useful materials on YouTube are how-to manuals. There are tutorial channels available for you, whether you want to watch a YouTube video to learn how to parallel park or how to build a cabin from scratch. The how-to and style category is suitable for video content that contains information that helps viewers. Usually in videos there are processes that can be followed or steps in making or doing something. A sizable portion of the specialty is devoted to crafting, and individuals enjoy watching tutorials on how to complete simple tasks. Number 13. Education. The category for education covers videos on educational topics as well as tutorials, information guides, learning, and academic classes. The education category is suitable for video content that contains topics that are often taught in class, such as mathematics, languages, social sciences, history, etc. Number 14. Science and technology. Any video that discusses or is focused on science, technology, engineering, or mathematics is considered science and technology. The science and technology category is suitable for videos that contain experiments, research, the latest developments in the world of technology, etc. Number 15. Non-profit and activism. This category is suitable for videos that discuss issues related to the environment, animal safety, human rights, etc. This category is also suitable for the content of organizations engaged in the social sector. Giving philanthropic organizations and significant social movements a forum to share their content is one of YouTube's best applications. Let me tell you 12 best types of YouTube content to succeed at growing a YouTube channel. 1. Funny animals. 2. Video game walkthroughs. 3. How-to guides and tutorials. 4. Product reviews. 5. Celebrity gossip videos. 6. Vlogs. 7. Comedy, sketch videos. 8. Shopping sprees, hauls. 9. Unboxing videos. 10. Educational videos. 11. Parodies. 12. Pranks. You may ask, how do I choose a category for my YouTube video? Here is your guide how to change video category on YouTube. Select a video. Click the edit option. Choose the category option. Select a new category for your video. Click the update button. Thanks for watching this video from Sharp Turks CSC. Kindly subscribe our channel Sharp Turks CSC, like this video and press bell icon to get more information about SEO of YouTube videos. Have a good day.